Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see an important grammar topic of French. Very, very important. You can expect this kind of questions in your choose the correct answer as well as even in 2 marks. Grammar 2 marks. Les adjective qualificative. Adjective. What is adjective in French in English generally? Adjective describes the noun. Adjective means it describes the noun. Say for example, he is a tall boy. Boy is a noun and tall is the adjective describing noun. She is a short girl. Short is the adjective and that adjective is describing a noun called girl. So that is called adjectives. That is called adjective in English. The same is applicable even in French. The same is applicable even in French. Please refer page number 16 of your book PDF. You can see examples given for adjective. Okay. So grand. What is grand? Grand means tall or big. Then petit. Petit means small. Then court means short. Court means short. Jolly, nice. I'm sorry. Jolly means pretty. You can take it as pretty. Nice is also fine, but still pretty. Intéressant, interesting. Intéressant, interesting. Intelligent, intelligent only. Mauvais, bad. Mauvais, bad. Then here you could see the feminine form. Here you could see the feminine form. Okay. So all these are masculine. All these are masculine. Okay. And adding E to it is feminine. Adding E to it, you can frame the feminine sentences. Okay. So listen here, grand. Say for example, grand is given here as masculine, and if you write the same in feminine, it should be grand, adding E to the last. Okay. Then how to frame plural for this? You have to add S at the last. Masculine plural, S at the last. Okay. Add S here. Already S is here, so no additional S is required for movie. Then how to form plural tense for feminine? Add a S at the last. Okay. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now there are some adjectives which is irregular, which is in irregular manner. Let us see that. Blanc. Blanc is masculine, blanche is feminine, and for both the meaning is white. Blanc, blanche. Phrase. Phrase is masculine, phrase is feminine, the meaning is fresh. Long means long. So this is masculine and this is feminine. Frank is frank only, frankly. Frank, French. Frankly. Frank, French. Beau, belle. Beau means beautiful. Beau means beautiful. Okay. And again, belle. Beau, belle. Belle is also beautiful. Bell, I'm writing here and writing the meaning. Beautiful. Okay. Then nouveau, nouvelle. Nouveau, nouvelle. For both the meaning is new. Nouveau, nouvelle. Both the meaning is new. VI, VI. VI means old. VI, old. See the difference. The word itself is changing from masculine and feminine. So all these you have to by heart. Bone, bone. Both the meaning is good. Bone, bone. Good. Gentil, gentil. Nice. Gentil, gentil. Doux, douce. Douce means soft. Fou, fool means foolish. Foolish or mad. Mad, okay? Fou, fool, mad or foolish. Both. Hope it is clear for you. Hope it is clear. Okay. So, see here. What is that I told? Grown, grown. Masculine, singular, masculine, plural. Add s at the last. Feminine, singular here. And feminine, plural. Adding s at the last. Okay. So, same like this. First, you have to identify what type of noun it is, and you have to write the adjective for that. Hope it is clear. Okay, so here I have given the explanation in English. The qualifying adjective indicates the quality of a person, an animal, or a thing. That is what I said. It describes the noun. Generally, for framing the feminine of the adjectives, we add e at the last. That is what I explained. And to form the plural sentence, we will add s at the last. And there are some exceptionals. Exceptionals are what I told you, that fool, all these are all these fully exceptional only. Okay. Then the same thing even I have written here for your better understanding. Grown, adding s at the last for masculine plural, feminine plural, feminine singular, e, feminine plural, add s at the last. So same like that you have to frame. Listen here, blanc. It is different, no? So you are adding s at the last for masculine plural, he, it is different, and adding s at the last for feminine plural. Cour, court, s at the last, add e here for feminine singular, add s at the last. Okay, so gentil, add s here, and since it is different one, exceptional one, le, and add s at the last. Okay, then jolly, jolly, add s here, add e here, and add s here. Ta bicyclette est petite. Petit, petit, add s at the last, e, yes. Same I have written. Ta bicyclette. Bicyclette is feminine singular. Feminine singular because it is ending up with e. So the words ending up with e are always feminine. Okay. So ta bicyclette est petite. Your bicycle is small. That is what the meaning here. Your bicycle is small. So what type of petite should come here? Feminine singular. Since it is feminine singular, the answer should be petite. Fine? Okay. Now, second one, mon ami a dash. My friend is intelligent. So, mon ami, ending up with e, ending up with e. So, add e at the last, feminine singular. So, this is the answer. My friend is intelligent. Mon ami est intelligent. add E at the last. Okay. Then dom class Ilya yun bofi. Fee is girl. Fee is girl. So bell. Feminine singular bell. Bell is the answer here. Then Lond Ethan dash pay. The India is a big country. Pay means country. Grand. Then la fleur est fraise. The flower is fresh. Fresh. Okay. La fleur est fresh. This is the answer. The flower is fresh. The flower. La is always feminine. So for feminine singular it is fresh. So fresh is the answer here. Hope it is clear. Okay. Then the second exercise. It is in page number. All these exercises are in page number 22. Please refer page number 22. Okay. Then page number 22, ninth exercise. We are going to do ninth exercise now. Mes camarades sont sympathiques. My classmates are kind. Okay, so sympathic is masculine plural or feminine plural. For both it is, masculine plural or feminine plural. This is masculine plural. This is feminine plural. For both it is S only. Okay, add S at the last. So sympathic is the answer. Mes chats sont gentils. Okay, so mes chats sont gentils. Mes chats, it is masculine plural here. Masculine plural. So gentil. Then, le quartier de Chennai sont bruyants. The places of Chennai are noisy. Okay, so it is not ending up with E here. It's just ending up with yes. It is ending up with just S. So it is lay. Lay is always masculine plural. Sorry, lay is plural and this is masculine plural. So what should come there? Bruyant. Masculine plural. Okay. Then mes sœurs sont dash. My sisters are tall. So what should come there? Grand. Masculine here, ce sont des romans. These are some novels. Anthrason, 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 anthrason. What is the difference here? For masculine plural, it is S at the last. Feminine singular, add E at the last. Feminine plural, add S at the last. Okay. So, ce sont des romans anthrason. Anthrason. Now, Roma. Roma is masculine plural. So what should come here? This is the answer. Anthrason. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear, everybody. So according to the noun given here, you have to frame the answer. You have to fit in the answer. So what I want you to do is, please write these notes. Please write these notes in your classwork. And then please refer your page number 22. Please refer page number 22 in your book for this adjective exercises. It is given in page number 22, both 8th and 9th exercise. Okay. Merci. Thank you. Bonjourne. Have a nice day.